How's it going, everyone? I want to talk about advanced auto parts as it is extremely oversold for a very short-term bounce. I'm not trying to say, this thing can go all the way up and hit this EMA 20 or EMA 10, but if you guys are into swing trading options, or even if you have a very big account and you don't mind buying shares and sell it to this EMA 5, you can make very nice money. This EMA 5 is at this purple band here. The K is at a 3.38. In the last video I made, I said I'm looking for a K value near that range. So if you look at the bottom stochastic oscillator, this yellow line here, as you can see, it goes down as the price goes down. This will never hit zero. And if you see a bigger cap stock near the 3 area, then it's extremely oversold. And what you're going to do is expect a bounce. And not only do we have an extremely low K, we are well below this ATR4 band, which doesn't happen often, but I will show you on this stock, it does have reputation of doing that. But yeah, let me show you the past history. As you can see, when we did touch it here, we bounced up. It doesn't have to be like that all the time. When we have this time distance here from the 10 and the 20, and we have this ATR4 touch on the upper band, we have a nice put area. And look at this massive room down it went to, and then kept going down. The last time I played Advanced Auto Parts was way back in this area here. Right in here, you had this nice area of EMA 20, nice little ATR4, and look at this massive room up here. And if we use the data price range, you can kind of see, obviously you're not going to get like the penny stocks and all that. That's why you have to do option trades. This was 11% move up to the EMA 20. And the last time I played it was way back in here. It was 2023 of last year almost, and it had a really big move down. And a lot of times these earnings had this, and this is why I say you never trade the first big red candle down, because it can go lower. As you see, 35% down, goes down another 6%, down another 1%, 3%, and it just keeps going. And that's why it is awesome to have time distance. Look at this purple band, this EMA 5. What we have right here is this EMA 5 of not getting touched. As you can see, we clearly did not touch it on, look at this. This is actually beautiful. We didn't touch it on this candle, or this candle. So we can count these three as 3 daily candles. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. On the 12th daily candle, we touched it and we made a 5% move. Dead cat bounce, whatever you want to call it, or a short-term reversion to the mean. And then we made another 2% and then another 2%. This was a very, very nice move up. And if you have options, you guys that know this is 11% move in this 4 daily candles, you will make lots and lots of money. And so, to a T, we touch the 5, and then we go to the ATR4, and then we go to the 10, and then over time, it takes time to go to the 20. You don't see it often, lots of times going like that. Also, we do have dividends on this, 25 cents a share. I'm more looking into an option play because I want to make bigger money. And if we look at just from the lows here to the high to the EMA 5, you're at a 7% gain to this EMA 5. Now, tell me if that's not really, that's a pretty big gain there. And if you go to the option data here, you might ask, well, what would you be looking for more the aggressive players? I'd be looking for the 18 October, 43 days out. Gives me just a little wiggle room here. And I would do probably just one in the money. As you can see, the spread is not too bad, or you can do one out of the money. And you can see the open interest is people are holding more of these out of the money, usually is the case. So you can definitely do one of those. But as you can see, the implied volatility is not above 50%. I never will buy options if it is above. You want to have implied volatility as low as possible, but if it's too high, then you can get an IV crush. That just means they're expecting, a move one way or the other. So and then your delta 0.06. So or not, that's your gamma, my bad. Your delta is 56 cents. So every dollar that advanced auto parts move, you'll get 56 cents added to your premium. And that's pretty good. 2.7, let's say you get it at 2.75. We go to the percentage calculator, and you get that, and then you add, let's say 30, 60, let's just say you get around 3.50 there. That's a 29% gain rating there. Obviously, it'll be 3.20, my bad. You're looking at an 18% move around roughly every dollar it moves. So that's not too bad. And as you can see, today we went down $2. So the premiums, the premiums took a little hit there, guys. And so what I want to show you guys is this unique strategy. when you see a bigger cap stock like this, it's best to buy options, about a month out, and you're going to hit this EMA5. So when you do the math, that the delta, that you're getting about 20% gain every dollar on this. So if this thing went up $2, you'll be getting about a 40% gain. That is very, very good, right? All right, so this is why I'm so confident in this one. We haven't hit the EMA5 in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 daily candles. The last one I think was around 12 or 13. Let me double check that. The last one that was really extreme, and it had a big explosive move up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So on the 12th daily candle, we hit the EMA5. I barely think we could really easily do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So yeah, I think this is a very, very extremely oversold. I said wait for the K value at 3. I hate swing trading options, but if it's a setup like this, you do a month out, the K is super low. That means it can't really go too much lower. The ATR4 is clearly under it. I think it's a good setup. So, yeah, your first target would be your EMA5 only. I would not aim for the EMA10. I would just get a short-term reversion to the mean type of play. So, this is a very good one if you guys like, because you guys might be like, well, I can't get much gains out of this. Well, it depends. If you want to do shares, if you make about 5% on a big account, yeah, you can make a lot. If you want to do options, you can make tremendously more money on this, depending on your expirations and all that. I would definitely recommend options because this is a rare case scenario, and I think you guys can make big money. So I'll be looking into this in the Discord to do options. This is one of my favorites. I'm not in yet, so I'll be looking on September 6th to be into something here. And like I said, if you're watching this video way down the road and it hits the EMA5, I am probably most likely out because that is all I'm looking for is a short-term reversion to the mean type of play. And if you look at the Advanced Auto Parts valuation on Simple Wall Street, you can look at their valuation. They are 22% undervalued. Their fair value is at $55 according to a lot of fundamentals they put together, and all that. And you can look at the ownership. You can see the most recent transactions from from people that bought and sold. As you can see in 20 March, Herman Ward sold $159,000 worth of shares, and you can look at all that. So, yeah, this is Advanced Auto Parts. I approve of it. I think it's a nice swing trade option type of play. If you guys want to join the Discord and see this system, have your chart set up like mine, and how I win over 95% of my trades, feel free to join. It's I'm gonna put the link down below in the YouTube comments, and in the description it'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. What you want to do is please read how to subscribe if you have an Android user. It's super easy to subscribe. It's best to subscribe on a computer to avoid iOS fees. Please read the testimonies of all these people that have made lots and lots of money, of how a lot of people like the service. So if you head on over to Server Shop in the top left, I'll teach you guys how to trade like a pro. There's 2 services I offer, the Swing Trading and Day and Swing Trading Plus. Day and Swing Trading Plus gets access to everything swing trades, day trades, and a vast amount of education vaults that I offer. So basically you're going to get entries and exits sent straight to your phone. When I get in, when I get out, and you can even see my journal of all the trades I'm in, everything laid out, notes and everything. For $12 a month, you get access to all my subscription tabs to the left here. It's one of the best services I offered. It took me a long time, over 6 years, to develop this, feel confident in it. And like I said, it's an over 95% win ratio of doing exactly this simple strategy that I think anyone can do. A lot of it is patience, and that's anything with life, really. If you're willing to be patient, willing to wait for that low K value for a very good setup on a play, willing to have that time distance away from the EMA5, that ATR4 doesn't mean you get in right away. It just means it's a buy zone. I think you guys are up for a very, very nice gain on this one. But yeah, if you want to join, it's $12 a month. You get access to all my subscriptions tab on the left. You're going to get my live stream that I go live. I'll put that in the YouTube description if you want to see it. If you just, feel a little wary about it, join me on my free live streams. I go live every morning when the market opens. RTK Journal, you can see my actual trades, my win ratio, and I'll show you real quick my day trades here. Swing trades have been very nice, of course. My day trades is by far one of my best things here. As you can see, we have been on a massive win streak. I forgot to record one of mine below. But we have about an 18-20 win streak now as I adjusted the system here, and we're getting about 10 to 20% gains per trade. It's a very nice system here. Yeah, I hope you guys do decide to join. $12 a month. If you subscribe on your computer, you'll get rid of the iOS fee. If you do it on your phone, it'll charge you a little more, and you get access to everything just by clicking the server shop. I think you guys are gonna really like this. This is a really nice, really nice strategy that has made me consistently profitable. I tried probably every strategy out there, and this is the only one that works for me. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. This is reversal trading, where we catch the bottoms before the move happens, or we catch this bottom and we accumulate the dips and we sell the rips, and when that thing moves up, we make massive gains. Please watch my accumulation video too. I don't put all my ads all in one sitting. I accumulate properly because I know this is due for a move up. All right, guys, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Give this video a like, subscribe, comment, and hope you guys happy trading. Stay humble, stay blessed, and let's make some money together.